Okay then guys, let's have a look at question 12. We've got 2 times tan 3x. I've drawn the tan x in here, what we're used to seeing for the tan. Shoots off to infinity at 90. Okay, and it's 0 at 0. So if you look at tan 3x, I know it's going to go twice as quickly, so it's going to be even steeper, because the values are twice as big as well, mind. But if you look at that, when does that hit 90? It hits 90 when x is 30. So instead of going up to infinity at 90, it goes up 3 times more quickly, doesn't it? So it's concertinaed up by a factor of 3. So it shoots off from 0 to infinity there. So let's pencil that in. That's a mark there. And it goes down to there. And then if you look at the curve after 90, now what value is that where it hits 0? Well, what value would this be when it's 180? It would be 60, wouldn't it? So at 60 it's 0. And then at 90, 390s are 270, it shoots off to infinity. So it shoots off to infinity here at 90, because that's the 270. And just below it, because it's shot off to infinity there, it shoots off to minus infinity there, doesn't it, like our tanker? So it comes down, sweeps through there. So can you see what's happening? Basically, that's the first part there. But after that, these things repeat, don't they? Because it's cyclic. So it's just going to come every 60, it's going to sweep down like a snake. So let's just draw that little thing in then, shall we? So it's going to swing down and come down like that. Yeah, this is going to swing down. This is like a half little curve. Now the next 60 would be 90 to 150, so halfway between, and it's just going to swing down, come through there, and then go down like so. And that was 150. 150 to 210, another 60. Again, it's just going to swing down, go through there, like so. And then another 60 up to 270. That's halfway between. 210 and 270 is 240, so it's going to swing down, go through there, kick back on itself and go down. Then 270 to 330, halfway is 300. It's just going to come down, go through there, and go like so. And then the last one is just going to, it's a half of one of these. It's just going to go through 0 again. So it's just 30 degrees and shoot down to here. So let me just remove now the tan x's that we drew, so we don't confuse ourselves with that. There we are. There's tan 2 tan 3x. So let's plot that on the plotter. So I've typed it in here. Let's have a look at it, shall we? There we go. Rather a lot of information when you're drawing at 0 to 2 pi. There's a lot of movement. Can you see what happens though? There's your 30 degrees. There's your 90 pi over 2. Then this one is 150. This is 210. Isn't it? Because it's every 60 degrees. So that was 30, 90, 150, 210, 270, 300. And then last of all, we got 360, which is 2 pi. Yeah, and then the zeros. See the 0? 180 at pi. So there we go. That's question 12 done then. Good. Let's go on to the next one. Great.